Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to put a clean and professional-looking border around a text box in Canva. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or just looking to spruce up your designs, by the end of this video, you'll know how to neatly highlight your text with a stylish border that really makes it stand out. Alright, let's hop right into Canva. If you haven't already, head over to Canva.com in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your previous designs and plenty of options to start something new. Go ahead and click the big Create a Design button. Don't worry if it says something slightly different. Canva updates the wording every now and again, but look for that bright, colorful button. Next up, you'll want to choose your canvas size. For this tutorial, let's make things straightforward. Click on Custom Size. Here, type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height. You can use pixels for this. It's a nice small canvas that's perfect for practicing, and you can adjust the size later to fit your real project. Once you've punched in those numbers, hit Create New Design. Canva will open up a fresh blank canvas for you. Think of this as your digital piece of paper, all ready to go. Now let's add your text. Find the text tool on the left side menu, usually marked with a big T for easy spotting. Click that and then click anywhere on your blank canvas. Type in any word or phrase you'd like, maybe your name, hello, or the word sample if you're just testing things out. This is your text box that will be putting the border around. With your text in place, it's time to add the border. This is where the real magic happens. Go to the Elements tab also on the left. In the search bar, type square or just scroll down to find the basic shapes. Click on the plain square shape. Don't pick one with fancy decorations just yet since we want full control. When the square pops onto your canvas, you'll notice it's filled with color by default. Perfect for backgrounds, but not so great for a border. Let's fix that. With the square selected, look for the color option in the top menu. It usually looks like a little color tile. Click it, then hit the none or transparent icon to remove the fill color entirely. Now you basically have an invisible shape almost there. Now to actually create the border effect, we need to give this shape an outline. This is where adding stroke weight comes in, which is just Canva's way of saying give it a border. With the shape still selected, look for border style or stroke in the top menu depending on which version you have. Set the stroke weight to 1. This gives your shape a thin, crisp outline. If you want a chunkier border, try raising the number, but 1 is a great starting point for a classic look. Next, grab the corners of the shape and drag them so that the border hugs your text box perfectly. You might need to move things around a little, adjusting the size so it fits neatly. Think of it like tucking a picture into a frame. If the border feels too tight or too loose, just nudge the edges or the text itself until it looks right. Take your time here. This part might take a few moments, but it's worth it for that polished end result. And remember, you can always modify the shape. Maybe make the corners rounded or try a different color for extra flair. Feel free to experiment until it really fits your style. And just like that, you've put a border around your text box in Canva. This simple trick instantly makes your designs pop and draws attention exactly where you want it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want tips on any other Canva features. And of course, if you want more easy design tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.